Hey, do you have links, notes, and to-do list everywhere? Hey, my name is Rick Billings, and I've been doing some vibe coding, and I created a software program that is free, and anybody can use it, anyone. It's 100% private with high security. And what it does, it's pretty cool. I'm going to log into it here. You go to RhinoPinboard.com, and you click Getting Started. And what it's going to ask you to do is just going to ask you to type your email address in there. So I'm just going to type my email address here. And I'm going to hit send a code. And it's going to send to my email address up here a code for you to log into. And there it is right there because I got tied to my email. And I come into it. I'm also going to show my phone view on the left side of the screen. So you're able to see the view on your phone and on your desktop computer, laptop, or iPad, or whatnot. You can set a shortcut on your phone and just click on it, and you're going to have access to links to websites, URLs to secure areas like banking and stuff like that, because this is 100% secure. Me as a developer and admin, I cannot even see the links, okay? To-do list that takes you from what's due today, I'll show you in a second, and moves it on so you never forget those things you need to do. And notes, and there's actually a referral link section. So if you're a marketer, affiliate marketing, or you want to refer something to somebody, you can actually come over here and add those links in here and click copy and send those to people, okay? So as you see here across the top, the Pinboard is the main command center, your private command center. And it has links, to-dos, notes, and my referral links, which you see it all right here, okay? Now, I'm going to continue to add more features and update this, but this is free. It's free to use for so many, links and notes and so on. And then you can buy a unlimited version for $9 a month, and there's also a yearly plan that you can save 3 months on. But this becomes powerful because efficiency is everything, and remembering things. What is that website I went to, and so on. And so let's look at links here. You can navigate it through here or here. There's two ways to navigate it, okay? And on my phone, I can click links here, and you'll see them. The links show up. Now, what I've done is I have a system that shows a red rhino for high, a yellow rhino for medium, and a green rhino for low. So these are priorities, and they come and play more in the to-do list section and the notes section. But it's shown here as a key. And so you can allow it to pin so many links at the very top. Okay, and when you click on that link, it goes right to that website. So if I click on this link here, Rick Billings, it goes right to my Rick Billings website. That's how the links work. And then you can come down here and you can set categories. So I have all these different categories, and you can edit and delete these categories to your liking. And it will check the links to see if they're good or not. Okay, so you might have some AI links, and you click that, and it shows them here. And I want to go to Perplexity. I click on it, it goes to Perplexity. Okay, so this is a way that on your phone, your desktop, you can have all your links together, and you can have banking, events, general. I mean, these are just categories I put in here. Okay, you can have anything that you wanted here, and so you create. With the unlimited version, you create thousands and thousands of links and put them in categories and have those. And in the future, I'm actually going to develop a version that you can share it. So you might have a different email address for a family plan, and you could share it amongst all your family, or a business plan. You could share it all with business associates. You want to be on the same page with links and notes and to-do lists, okay? So we go over here to to-do list, and this is pretty neat. So you have things that are due today, and I did put some filler type in here, okay? And so these are things today. These are things that are due tomorrow. These are upcoming. And then the graveyard is your history. So I can take something like this right here in this yellow testing, and I say, I don't want to do that today, and I can click this right arrow and move it to tomorrow. And it moved that link into tomorrow's section. And then things that are over certain dates are upcoming, and they age till they get to the today. So it's a great way to manage your to-do list. Notes in here. You can add notes, high, medium, and low right here with the color. And they're all color-coded in these windows. So you want to add a note. You come over here and you put a title. You type in the box. You can actually do voice to text. You click here. It'll record voice to text. It defaults to medium, and you put high or low. And then you save that note. You know, sample test. I'm doing a demo video right here. You have to allow your microphone. I'm doing a demo video right here. I want to see how the voice to text works. And you click off of it, and there it is right there. And then you say, add this note. And now the note went into this medium. And I said, well, that should have been a high note. Let me go back into it and change it to high and save. And now it's up here in the high section. The other thing is that, you know, I have a lot of referrals that I have, and so I have a referral link section. And this allows me to share the vibe coding link or the marketing secrets that I use right here, and you can copy the link, share the link, or open a destination. I want to open this destination. I just click here, and again, it goes right to that page. Okay, and it works the same on works the same on the phone. The notes here. Let me go through some of those here. So I go over here to the things to do list right here, private things to do. I go to my notes right here, and here's that sample test. I can look at it. I can hit the down arrow and review that note. If I want to delete it on my phone, I delete it, and it deletes it on the computer. Here's the links. I want to share a link with somebody. I'm on the fly. I got my phone. I want to share a link. I forgot what that link is and what I want to say. Share it on social media. I can come over here and hit the share link right here. It pops up. Who do you want to share it to? On Facebook, on social media, on message somebody. Just a very quick way to be efficient about your personal referral links. I mean, I have dozens and dozens of these links that I'll eventually add in here. Okay, click back to the Pinboard. You're here. Again, this is free. It's free to use. Yes, it's limited to so many links and to-dos and notes, and then you pay for an unlimited version then. Okay, but this becomes a very efficient tool. You know, eating out one time at a fast food restaurant will pay for this for a month. Okay, you have your area that you can manage all your settings in. So you can come over here and manage your back-end settings, your account. It shows account security, your link management. You can do it here, but you can also do it on the page and subscription. Okay, and so I can do the same thing on the phone, and you can see how it interacts on the phone. I got all that information here that I can edit and change and so on. Okay, so it really is, I'm excited about it because these are things I do all the time. I always have links. I'm always having a to-do list. I'm always taking notes. I got my referral links, and yes, I'm adding more things in here. I got a half a dozen more ideas. But I had to get it to a point that I wanted to share it because I'm pretty excited about it. And I did this all through vibe coding. And obviously, if you want to learn how to do vibe coding, it's in my referral link section, right? And at the bottom, I created a refer a friend. So you can pop this up, and you could actually take and email this to a friend and share it with a friend that might want to use this. And it'll send them a message for them to check it out. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I love your feedback. I'd love to have your feedback on what you think of it. If there's any features I can add to it if you're a user, that would be great. Just I don't have a feedback form, but I'll probably put that in here along with the support area. I don't have that in here yet, but I will. And so you can give me feedback. And I'll put that in the notes area. I'm going to do that right here, right now. Add feedback section or link. And I'm going to put that as a low priority right now because I got other things to do, and I'll click it there, and it's a low priority for me. Add feedback area right here. And then I'll just remember to do that. So anyway, you go throughout your day, you got your phone, you have an idea, you want to make sure you make a note about it. You have something you really need to do, you want to make a to-do list and add it to your to-do list. And that you can look at your to-do list every day and say, what do I have to do today? And that is a powerful way to start to organize things in your life that you think are all over the place. And so anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Give me some feedback, and we'll talk to you soon, hopefully.